What's in there?
Some letters.
Some letters. Which ones? What letters are there?
Huh?
What letters are there?
A.
A. Whose name starts with A?
Me.
You? Are you Alice? How do you spell Alice?
A-L-I-C-E.
That's right.
That's a lot of letters.
That's all the letters. How many letters is that? Do you know? It's 5 letters. It's a lot of letters. Is it more than Gus?
Alice, how do you spell Gus's name?
Do you remember? Are you still wearing Gus's shirt?
Where's my pants?
I don't know where your pants are.
Alice, let's get your swimsuit on.